A very good evening to one and all. In this video, we are going to solve three different kind of the problems using the transform. The first one is x of n equal to 1 by 2 power n u of n plus 2 power n u of n. We can write this one as x1 of n, and the second part we can write as x2 of n. So x of n equal to x1 of n plus x2 of n. The z transform of x of n is x of z equal to the z transform of x1 of n become x1 of z, and the z transform of x2 of n become x2 of z. Let this is equation number 1. X1 of n is given as 1 by 2 power n u of n. Since this discrete time sequence is the causal sequence, because 1 by 2 power n is multiplied with u of n, and u of n exists for n greater than equal to 0. Already we discussed. So the z transform of x1 of n is nothing but the z transform of 1 by 2 power n u of n, and this is x1 of z, and the z transform of this is z by z minus 1 by 2 with ROC mod of z greater than 1 by 2. Since we know that a power n u of n, z transform is z upon z minus a with ROC z greater than a. Similarly, you find the z transform of the second part x2 of n equal to 2 power n u of n. The z transform of x2 of n is equal to the z transform of 2 power n u of n. This is also the causal sequence. So the z transform of 2 power n u of n is z upon z minus 2 with ROC mod of z greater than 2. Right? So the z transform of x of n is x of z, which is nothing but equal to x1 of z plus x2 of z. Substitute x1 of z and x2 of z in equation 1. So x of z become z upon z minus 1 by 2 plus z upon z minus 2. And the ROC, you draw a circle of radius 2. So for ROC, we have to choose the highest value from these two. So 2 is greater than 1 by 2. So this is the point. So ROC of x of z is always greater than mod of z greater than 2. So always, once the causal sequence is given, the ROC is always the highest value from these two. So to make x of z converge, the value of z should be greater than equal to 2. So this is the solution of question number 1. The second question is given as x of n equal to minus 2 power n u of minus n minus 1 plus 2 power n u of minus n minus 1. If you see this sequence, this is also a non-causal. Since 2 power n is multiplied with u of minus n minus 1, this is also non-causal, right? So, and we know that minus a power n u of minus n minus 1, the z transform is z upon z minus a with ROC mod of z less than a. So bring these two in this form. So I can write x of n as minus 1 by 2 power n u of minus n minus 1, and the second part I can write minus of minus 2 power n u of minus n minus 1. So the z transform of x of n is x of z, and the z transform of this part becomes z by z minus 1 by 2 minus of minus 2 power n u of minus n minus 1, the z transform is z upon z minus 2. And for the ROC, we have to select the minimum value of these two. So draw a z plane of radius 1 by 2. To make x of z integrable, we have to choose the value of z less than 1 by 2. So x of z will be converged for any value of z less than 1 by 2. So ROC of x of z is nothing but mod of z less than 1 by 2. So this is the result of a non-causal sequence, and this is the result of a causal sequence. Thank you.